Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Kobe Lomax and I am the CEO of Curly Hair. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys my complete curly hair routine from start to finish. In one of my recent videos, if you haven't seen it, I was teaching you guys how to like train your hair to be curly with like a routine, and a lot of people were like, I need to see it, like can you actually show us? And I'm like, hang tight, I have a video coming for that. And so here it is today. I'm going to be showing you guys my complete curly hair routine. Let's get into the video. All right, so this routine starts by washing your hair. I always shampoo my hair. The only time I co-wash is, let's say I had a really hard workout yesterday and a really hard workout today, and my hair is just feeling kind of like it just needs to be clean, but it doesn't really need to be like clean yet because it's only been 2 days, but it just needs like a little bit of like a refresh. That's when I will co-wash, but otherwise on a regular basis I'm shampooing my hair about once a week. And also I want to mention I do this routine once a week, normally every Saturday or every Sunday. But so I will hop in the shower, wet my hair, and then I will go ahead and apply the shampoo. Really the biggest thing you want to focus on in this step is making sure you are getting your scalp clean. If you want healthy hair to be able to grow out of your head, you are going to have to make sure your scalp is clean. And so you want to make sure you're getting all around your head. One of my absolute favorite shampoos is the Curl Daddy Clean Me Up shampoo. Curl Daddy is a new, up and coming hair brand. It is founded by a black male founder named Edwin, so that is just absolutely phenomenal. This is a black male who started his own hair care line, and that is so excited. We're about to take over, and guess what, y'all? Sneak peek, I'm next. No, it is my dream though to one day launch my own curly hair products. It's literally been my dream for years, but that's just not something that I want to rush into. I want to make sure that when I'm doing it, I can give my all to it. So that'll be sometime in the future, but stay tuned because it's coming. But yeah, so Curl Daddy is a company founded by Edwin, and he is just all about loving your hair and loving yourself. This shampoo though specifically, it's very effective at getting your hair clean, but it also has ingredients that like really encourage slip. This is one of the only shampoos that I can use and actually kind of like detangle with. Now I don't focus on detangling when I'm cleaning my hair with the shampoo, but it is a nice touch to know that like I can easily work my fingers through my hair with this shampoo because it has a nice amount of slip to it. So I just work this all in my hair, and then after I do that I rinse it out, and then I follow that up with the Curl Daddy Lay Me Down conditioner. This is like the perfect match with the shampoo, and the thing I love about this conditioner is it is so moisturizing. It literally feels like, imagine like you were like stressed out about something, and then somebody in your life, that one person you know who like they just, anytime something's wrong, you can go to them and know that you'll just feel better. Like just imagine they just came and gave you a hug. That's what this conditioner feels like in your hair. Like it literally like instantly just makes your hair feel like it has a decent amount of slip. And so all in all, this shampoo and conditioner duo is probably my favorite at this moment. I have been using it for probably 3 weeks now, 4 weeks now, and I have been absolutely loving it. The conditioner is really good though. It's really good. The shampoo is good, but the conditioner is really good. By the way, I will leave all the products in this routine linked down below, so if you guys just want to grab them and then be able to do this routine yourself. And I also have been, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I have been looking around to see like who has the best price, because like sometimes Amazon is a little more expensive than if you get it off of their website. And so I've been like linking them like that and like letting you guys know like this is from their website, or this is from Amazon, or it's cheaper on their website, or it's cheaper at Sally, or whatever the case might be. So yeah, link down below all the products. But yeah, so when I'm putting the conditioner in, I'm really focusing on my ends. Like I really want my ends to just get all that nourishment, because that's the oldest part of my hair, and that's a part of my hair that has been with me the longest, and it needs the most love. So I really focus in on my ends, and then I kind of just like work it through my hair. And the main objective, the number one goal when you are conditioning, is to detangle. So I will work my fingers through my hair and to help detangle my hair. And then what you can also do is add some water to your hair with the conditioner in it, and that helps give it more slip. So sometimes if you're detangling and you're having a hard time, just lean your head into the water a little bit and then continue, and it will work wonders in detangling. It'll cut your detangling time down, and I don't know, it's just like best kept secret. So once I have worked all the conditioner in my hair, I'll rinse that out. Then I will put the deep conditioner in my hair. For this time around, I used a protein deep conditioner. It is the Mielle Organics Babasu Mint Protein Deep Conditioner. It is by far the best protein deep conditioner I probably have ever used. It's my favorite one. If you don't like the smell of lemongrass, you won't like this one. But me personally, I love it. And this protein conditioner is so good. My curls are popping. If you saw my last video, I was mentioning it's time for a protein deep conditioner. Some of my ends weren't really curling up and popping the way they are, and look at them now. They are really popping, and I think it was just because I just needed protein. My hair just needed some protein. So that's one thing to look out for. If there are parts of your hair that aren't really curling up or popping the way they used to, then maybe try to use a protein treatment, because what it does is it binds back, you know, that hair so that it just makes your hair pop more. But yeah, so I just worked this deep conditioner into my hair, and same thing, focus on the ends and then like work your way up, but really focus that deep conditioner on the ends. Like I gunk it up on the ends, because the ends are the parts of your hair that need the most love. And then I'll twist that up, put it in a plastic bag, and then I just wait for however long the product tells me to wait. If you guys didn't see my last video, I talked all about deep conditioning. You could definitely check that video out and it will break it all down for you. After the deep conditioning is done, then I will go ahead and rinse that out, and then it is time for styling. Now, a new step in my curly hair routine that I have been absolutely loving is using the Mielle Organics Rice Water Split-End Treatment. What it is it's like a serum almost that you put on your hair, and what it does is it makes your hair stronger and it nourishes your hair a little bit more. So the first step I do is I section off my hair, and then I will put on the split-end treatment. I'll take some of it, put it on my hair, and then after that step, then I will go in with my leave-in. And so for my leave-in, I use the Moisture RX leave-in from Mielle Organics as well. The Moisture RX leave-in is extremely moisturizing. The most moisturizing leave-in conditioner I have probably ever used. It just does the job so well. There are other leave-ins that are like, yeah, this is good, but that specifically is so moisturizing, leaves your hair soft. I can't, you just have to try it. You have to take my word on this one and just try it. You will see exactly what I'm talking about. But yeah, so I worked the leave-in in my hair once again, focusing on the ends as much as I can and working my way up throughout my hair and just getting the leave-in all over my hair. That's gonna serve as a base of moisture under the gel or whatever styler that you use. So then after I've got the leave-in worked into that section, then I go in with the gel, and for this wash and go specifically, I am using the Wet Line Extreme Gel. I go back and forth between the Argan Oil Eco Styler Gel and the Wet Line Extreme Gel, but this time I use the Wet Line Extreme Gel. The thing I love about the Wet Line Extreme Gel is it gets my hair nice and defined and acts just like the Eco Styler Gel, but it leaves my hair a lot softer than the Eco Styler Gel. When I use the Eco Styler Gel, it does make my hair crunchy, but it lasts longer, right? Where this gel, my hair is not crunchy at all whatsoever, but it's not going to last as long. But for this wash and go specifically, that's what I wanted. I wanted it to just be a soft, fluffy, nice, curly, defined wash and go, and that's exactly what I got. So then what I do is I take the gel, and I kind of take a lot. I do not sham on the gel. I really love my hair to be super defined. And so what I do is I'll work that into a section, and then what I'll do is I'll take my curls where they naturally split. Sometimes it's not, sometimes it's a little off, but ideally you want to go where the curl naturally splits. It's just not super like spend so much time focusing on like, oh, where does this curl naturally split? Like, no, but ideally you want to, that's what you want to shoot for. So you take the curl where it naturally splits, and then I just twirl it around my finger like 3 times, and then I pull it, and I just like 1, 2, 3 pull. You know, and you don't want to pull your hair out. Look, it takes practice. You'll understand it after you start doing it. But I just go like 1, 2, 3, and I pull, and then the curl just forms and defines itself. And then I just do that all over my head. It does take some time, but as you start doing it more and you start to get the hang of it, it literally takes significantly a shorter amount of time to get that done. And then after I have done a section of my hair like that, you'll see that they're like the leave-in and the gel were sort of like mixing together, and it made this like little white stuff on my hair. Now that's not to worry, it's nothing to worry about. It's just the leave-in and the gel mixing, and it doesn't mix clear, you know? So what I do is I go and I add water to that section that I just did. The water somehow makes my curls clump nicer, clump better, curl up a little better, and it makes that white stuff go away. It almost like it dilutes it. So what I do is I go to the sink, and I put my hand under the water, and then I scrunch that water into my hair right after I take it out the water. So I put my hand under, I scrunch it into my hair. I put my hand under the water, I scrunch it into my hair. And then I just do that same process all over my entire head until my head is completely done. And then after that, I just let my hair dry. And once my hair has dried, these are the results you are looking at. So what I did was, my hair wasn't completely dry the first day, but it was pretty dry. This is actually the next day that I'm filming this video. So normally what I would do is I would wear a bonnet to sleep, and then I would wake up, take the bonnet off, shake it around a little bit, fluff my hair up to where I want it to be, and then here we will be today. And I want to show you guys something. So I didn't wear the bonnet last night. I forgot. You can see how some of my hair, the ends of it, were like getting a little frizzy. And that was because of friction on the pillow. You see how this curl is super defined, but this curl is like a little bit like not defined, like a little fluffy. You know, that's because I didn't wear the bonnet. So the bonnet is really important. Like, see this fluffy, frizzy kind of, where these curls are like super nice, juicy, defined. That's because I didn't wear the bonnet. So do your best to make sure you wear your bonnet every night, because the friction over the pillow, it makes, you know, certain parts of your hair frizzy. Nonetheless, my hair still looks really good, and I'm really happy with it. But yeah, this is the process. This is what I do, and these are the results that I get. You know, just super nice, super defined curls. So yeah, that wraps up this video. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, as it really does support the channel. And if you are looking forward to more videos like this, then make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so that you get a notification every time I upload a new video. If you'd like to follow my journey and see more of the behind the scenes stuff, you can find me on Instagram at Kobe Lomax, on Facebook at Kobe Lomax, and on TikTok at Kobe Lomax. And that's all. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos, sticking through till the end, and supporting the channel as we are growing so fast. This thing is growing. You know, we're actually building a community. This is exactly what I dreamed of, you know, and like, it's just so crazy how it's just happening. Thank you so much. And I literally can't say it enough. Thank you so much for watching my channel, for supporting the channel, for being here. And I will see you guys in the next video.